My foot fell asleep from how I'm sitting, but my arm is resting on this, so I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
I would
but
say that I
can't
could help you,
feel-
but I'm afraid to carry like babies, you know. Like,
You just said you loved them.
yeah, but maybe I feel afraid that they fell, and you know, like
You don't trust your ability to not drop a baby? Okay,
at
well,
all, you know.
don't go to him.
Yeah, is she still sleeping?
Yeah, don't you hear her? She's snoring.
Wait. Oh, and where did she got that from? From you or
Her snoring?
yeah, from you? It's normal. Women also snore.
I don't snore.
You don't snore?